So this here is Apple's latest unexpected release, the MagSafe Battery Pack. It's a battery pack for your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and even iPhone 12 mini that magnetically snaps onto your phone via magnets to give you some juice when you need it. In addition, when you have the battery pack plugged in with a lightning cable, it acts as a secure wireless charging pad. It even introduces a feature that we've never seen before on an iPhone, which we're going to talk about more in a bit. The thing that I like most about batteries like this is the fact that they are detachable, so you can simply snap it onto your phone when you need it. It's not like a big bulky battery case that would always have to be on your phone. Having this battery pack would have definitely been handy during my road trip to the mountains of New Hampshire last week when my phone was always roaming for a cell signal. The design of this battery pack is simple, minimal, and to the point. It's white with the Apple logo around the back, a lightning port, and a charging light indicator on the bottom. To use it, you have to make sure that you're on the latest version of iOS and just attach it to your iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, or even iPhone 12 mini. That's it. As Apple likes to say, it just works. The magnets in this battery pack are very strong. If you use MagSafe accessories with your iPhone 12 Pro, you'll know what to expect here and you'll know how strong it latches onto your phone. When the pack is on, it does not move nor does it budge, no matter if you have a case on or if your phone is bare. The side of the battery that snaps on has a rubbery texture, so it's not going to mark up or scratch your phone or your case. Do note that if you do use a case with your iPhone, it does need to be MagSafe compatible, so your battery here will securely latch right on. If not, you're gonna have to take the case off. This battery pack charges your iPhone at 5 watts when it's attached via MagSafe, or if you connect the pack to a 20 watt or higher wall charger, it can wirelessly fast charge your iPhone at 15 watts, speeding things up significantly. In that case, it will charge your iPhone first and then fill up the battery pack. What I found to be interesting about this MagSafe battery is that it shows us something we've never seen before out of an iPhone: reverse wireless charging. Samsung and others have been doing this for a while with their phones, where you place your headphones or watch on the back of the phone and it's going to wirelessly charge it. This is a very useful feature for charging up your accessories on the go. The MagSafe battery pack is the first accessory that introduces this reverse wireless charging feature to the iPhone. When you have your iPhone plugged in and the battery attached, your phone will charge to full first, and then the phone is going to reverse wirelessly charge the battery pack. It's pretty neat. I'm not sure if this is something that's going to come to existing iPhone models via a software update, or it's going to be introduced in upcoming iPhone models, but the feature is here, and the MagSafe battery pack is the first accessory to take advantage of it. So I have been using this new battery pack for a little over a week now, and I really do love the convenience that this thing offers. Rather than always having a bulky battery case on your phone, a detachable battery like this is very useful to have with you to just snap on when you need it. Like most first-party accessories, it also integrates very well into the iPhone experience in that it just works. Attaching it to your phone brings up a charging animation, and you can also view the remaining capacity of the battery in Today View or via the battery widget. I also do oddly like the feeling of this battery pack. I originally thought that it was going to be, you know, like that iPad Pro Magic Keyboard, like rubbery feeling, and it kind of is on this side, but on this side, it actually feels pretty satisfying. It's plasticky, but there's like a little bit of a hint of a rubber, which does feel pretty good. Although this battery is very convenient, it is far from perfect. As I mentioned before, it does only charge your iPhone at 5 watts via MagSafe, which is very slow. The capacity of the battery is also quite limiting, so it's not going to fully charge your phone from empty to full. Instead, it's either going to top off your phone's battery when you have existing battery life left, or it's going to give you just enough power to, no pun intended, power through the day. If you plan on getting this battery pack, you do need to be aware of its limitations and the fact that it offers far less capacity than a standard portable battery. Overall, at $99, the MagSafe battery pack is expensive for what it is, but it does come with extra features that third-party batteries like this can't offer. The software integration to check the charge level, reverse wireless charging, ease of use, and that official Apple peace of mind all make this MagSafe battery worth paying the extra bit of money for. As with all first-party accessories, it complements the iPhone experience very well, but is it worth it? I think the convenience that it offers does make it worth it, but again, you do have to be aware of the fact that it does have limitations and it's not a standard portable battery. It's there to just slap right on your phone when you need some extra juice, and that's really what this thing is all about. Anywho, that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did and you liked what you saw, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to follow @RayStratus on Twitter and Instagram for much more. Until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace!